Hi, my name's Bob Kistemaker and I specialise in structural repairs on vehicles. Okay, the B-pillar is made of really strong high strength steel. We've got some mild steel and we've got some high strength steel. The mild steel is very, very soft. It just bends really easily, no effort at all. This is just a bit of high strength steel wire. It takes quite a bit to actually bend it. It's quite strong. That's the way it was designed. This pillar is actually a lot stronger than this and it won't bend. It'll just, the whole side will move in. But with the old cars, they were just made of mild steel, which is really soft and it just bends so easy. What I've done here is I've heated this up to sort of resemble a repair and then quenched it in water. This is really extreme. We wouldn't do that in repair, but it's just an example to show you how we can change the properties of the metal. So they are very, very heat sensitive, and if we don't follow the proper welding procedures when welding them, we can change the properties. So if I put some pressure on this, like it would have in another accident, it'll just snap. If we just put a partial section in, because it's only damaged there, and once we've welded all that in and repaired it and painted it, it'll look brand new. The car will function fine, but in the event of a new accident, this will just tear and snap there and it'll enter into the occupant area and cause some serious injury. It's really important that we repair these vehicles properly.